Hello and welcome to Q Rangers. My name is James and I'm joined with my good friend, QBot.
Hello everyone.
We are so excited to be teaching you today. Come on, let's go. Follow us to the classroom. This lesson will take you through the steps of deleting a sprite, adding a sprite, and adding a backdrop. Hey, QBot, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Great, let's jump into it.
Let's talk about deleting a sprite. In your Sprite pane in the bottom right corner, click on the garbage can located in the top right corner of the sprite that you wish to delete. This will also delete any code that has been created under that sprite.
That's right. Every new project on Scratch will begin with the cat sprite. By clicking on the garbage can, this will delete the cat sprite.
Next, we're going to go over how to add a sprite.
First, hover over the Choose a Sprite icon in the bottom right corner of the Sprites pane. Select the magnifying glass icon, which will take you to the Scratch Sprite library.
You can scroll through all of the sprites available, or you can search for a sprite using the search bar. And lastly, you can select a category from the top bar to find a sprite. Select the sprite that you would like to use and code.
Wow! The sprite that you selected now appears on your stage and in your Sprites pane.
And don't forget, you can also create your own sprite.
That's right! To do this, you can hover over the Choose a Sprite icon in the Sprites pane, select the paintbrush icon, and this will take you directly to an area where you can begin to create your own sprite using the tools available. But it looks a little boring, doesn't it? What should we add underneath our sprite?
We need to add a backdrop. To do this, hover over the Choose a Backdrop icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Select the magnifying glass icon, which will take you to the Scratch Backdrop library.
That's right, QBot. You can scroll through all the backdrops available. Search for a backdrop using the search bar, or select a category from the top menu to find a backdrop.
Once you select a backdrop that you would like to use, it will appear directly on your stage.
You can also create your own backdrop. To do this, you must hover over the Choose a Backdrop icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Select the paintbrush icon, which will take you to an area that will allow you to create your own backdrop using the tools available. Once you create your backdrop, you'll see that this will appear directly on your stage.
Wow, that was so easy! We have learned how to delete a sprite, add a sprite, and add a backdrop to our Scratch stage. Make sure you practice by yourself at home.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you again next time.
Don't forget to practice at home.
Bye-bye!